everyone, I'm Angelina and this is Blueprint DIY, where we remake our clothes to be just as unique as us. And today I'm actually not remaking clothes. I know, so surprising, but I came to give you 5 spring summer trends that you should stop buying retail. And when I say stop, I actually don't mean stop completely. What I mean is I've been seeing a lot of girls do hauls on YouTube, and the things that they're buying, I'm like, I saw that at the thrift store yesterday. So before you go and search for it retail, online or in the store, definitely check for these 5 trends in your consignment shop, thrift shop, vintage shop, whatever it is. And we are going to save you money and help save the planet. Let's get started. Okay, so the very first trend is glamorous accessories. These were all over the runway. They're all over every retail store, from the hair clips, which I made in a couple of videos ago. If you're interested, I'll link it here or here. And so I went to the thrift store purposely to look for things that were not made. So this video is for all of you who do not want to make anything, you just want to go and buy it. So I was able to find some really cool accessories. There's so much gold hardware going on right now. So I found this belt, and it is an olive green rope, and it has this gold hardware and just this clasp in the back. And I just thought that this was really cool. It was $4 at Value Village, and I couldn't pass it up. I actually went looking for chain belts because those are everywhere, and I didn't find those because I think everybody's taking them, because I've definitely seen them plenty of times at the thrift store. But of course, when things become popular, they are a little bit harder to find. But if you see something like, for instance, I would look at the trends going on for in the fall runway shows, and I would go start looking for those things now. But there's still plenty of things that fit the spring trends out there for the taking, especially with Marie Kondo having everybody donate their stuff. So, and then I also found this belt with, this has the gold hardware, gold buckle, and the lion head detail. And I wore this in last week's video where I took a bunch of pants out, and oh, it just adds just the right detail. I love this belt. And I also wore these earrings, which I absolutely love. And oh, these are so pretty. I found these for $4 at Value Village, and I saw them and I was just like, yes, I definitely want those. And another pair that I found at Value Village are also these stars. And I think these add a really nice touch to any outfit because they have kind of that 80s glam look with the star. So definitely go search your thrift store for glamorous accessories. Okay, so next trend is fancy blouses. I mean, like, really kind of everything is fancy right now, mixing things that are fancy with things that are not, which is like, I love that style. But blouses, like these printed blouses, I found this one at my local thrift outlet for $2. And another trend is having shoulders, like square shoulders, and so like keeping the shoulder pads in your things, you know, so think twice before you take the shoulder pads out, because that is definitely a look that is gaining. So it's something you'll see more and more as we go along the next few seasons. But this one has a really pretty pattern, and then it has this detail on the shoulders as well to further define the shoulder. So I really like this. It has a really nice gold button on there, and so I just thought, and especially the color of it, I love the color of it. You'll find these in anything from something that looks more like a Gucci blouse, like a vintage Gucci blouse, to things like this that are more like the paisley pattern and different things like that. But they're all on trend right now, and you can rock them with some jeans and different things like that and look amazing. And I even found a coordinating blazer to go with it, and this particular color, like these dusty colors, and you, of course, we know the bright colors in suit sets are really in, but also these 70s looking blazers are definitely in right now as well. So if you see some of those, definitely snag some for this season and the next season. And this next blouse I have actually combines a couple of trends in that it is a fancy blouse. It has this gold like thread running through it, but it also has a bow. And this is something else that I wore in last week's upcycle jeans video. But bows were everywhere on the runway. And this is a very simple way. I mean, there's a ton, you know, I've seen a ton of shirts with bows in the front. And I've had them in the past, but I had given them all away. And then when I saw that trend come back, I was like, oh my gosh, I know I can find that at the thrift store. And so this is a New York & Co. one that I got for a few dollars, and I love it. It's nice and sheer, good for the summer. Okay, so this next trend has me super excited, so much so that I have a whole upcycle video about it next week, so you don't want to miss that. But I wanted to know if I could find one of these, an amazing one, at the thrift store, and lo and behold, I did. So the next trend is one pieces, and I found this amazing one piece with the mesh like overlay, kind of safari vibe, which is really on trend right now. And it is a neutral color, which is something else like earth tones is really on trend right now. So I am absolutely ecstatic that I found this. It has pockets. It has kind of like this gathered waist, but I can definitely deal with that. And it's long enough for me. I didn't think it was going to fit me. It looked a little bit small, but it does fit me well. So I was so excited to find this, and you'll never believe how much it was. Like, I'm going to let you guess. Go ahead and guess. If you've been watching this channel for a long time, then you already know. It was $2. I found it at the thrift outlet for $2. And as a matter of fact, I took footage of some others because I know people are saying, well, you're skinny, you can find anything. No, I found some plus size ones, you know, for $2. So, and I know that at not every place in the United States or in the world is as inexpensive as my thrift stores here in Houston. However, to find something like this retail, you know, it's gonna cost you probably more than what you would find it even in your local vintage shop. So definitely check them first. That's all I'm saying. Check them first, and you'll find something so unique that you're not gonna see every girl walking down the street with the same thing on. Okay, so the next trend that I'm super excited about is the 80s trend, and it's like I said with the Glamorous accessories. Makes me think of Barbie and the Rockers, Jam and the Holograms, and like different little nostalgic things like that. But I found this really cool tank top, and what really makes it 80s is like this pattern. And I've seen in the 80s there were a lot of these that had like really bright colors, but I really like this one because it was more subtle. So it's a subtle nod to the 80s, and I'm sure this is pretty vintage. I don't know, it's not vintage. It's the brand Bowden, and I got this for $2 from my local thrift outlet. And along with that, I've had these for the longest time, is these Lee. They're the brand Lee, and you can tell these are vintage. It's all curled up from being washed. But these Lee jeans, and they have the stretchy waist on the side, and the wash is just so vintage. And they even have, like, already, I bought them like this, they already have the perfect fringe on the edge. So somebody did a really good job of just cutting these with probably some just dull scissors and washing them a million times. So they're already perfect, and it'll make an outfit that's perfect, a perfect nod to the 80s. And also within the 80s trend, I have this really cool slip, it's not a dress. I think it was meant to be lingerie because it is Victoria's Secrets, but it's just the colors. So it'll be, you know, just like a tank top for me. But this bright purple, the pink, and the green together is definitely a nod to the 80s. And you could definitely wear this with a t-shirt underneath if you like. And it also goes with another trend, which is the slip dress, which combines two trends. It's a slip dress and it's cheetah print. But this is the reason I make this video, because I'm watching girls buy this thing and they're paying, you know, money for it, and I'm like, I saw that at the thrift store yesterday. So I paid $4.94 for this, and it's new with tags. It came originally from Boohoo. The thing about this is it says this is a size 14, and it ain't no size 14, let me tell you. It is probably fitting more like what I am, a size 8. So that's probably why it ended up in the thrift store. But this is like the exact thing that everybody is buying, and I found it for $5 at the thrift store. So I'm just trying to help y'all out, for real. Like, really. So I was so excited to find this, and I just went through the dresses and just had my eye looking specifically for this print and these colors, and found it like right off. It was the first thing I found when I got there, so I was so excited to find that. But not only that, I found that in the dress section, but I also went to the lingerie section, and which is, you know, you could find some in the dresses, but you're more likely maybe to find them in the lingerie section. So definitely check that section out. Don't go through your dress section and then think that they just don't have them, because different thrift stores, they don't know the trends, and so they're just putting things according to what the actual item is, not according to how we are currently wearing them. So I went to the lingerie section and I found the cutest little slip dress, and it is like more like a giraffe print, and it has like this little ruffle on the bottom, and it was $4.94 as well. It is the brand Innermost, and I just, when I tried it on, I fell in love with it. It's definitely shorter than what I would normally wear, but at the same time, you know how sometimes you go to the thrift store and you find two pieces at the same time, or you're wearing something that goes with what you try on, and so you just have to get it because it goes together. So I found at the thrift store, this was $3.93, and it's a Sag Harbor jacket. It was in the men's section, which I don't know why, because it's a women's jacket, but it's this camel color brushed cotton blazer, and it paired so well with this. I had to get both of them. And before I show you one last bonus item that I like, I have no words to explain how amazing it is. If you are new to my channel, if this is the first video you've watched and you haven't subscribed, definitely subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. And definitely give this video a thumbs up. My comments may be still acting screwy, so definitely give this video a thumbs up and let YouTube know that you like it. When you're thrifting, you never know what you're gonna find, and it boggles my mind every time I go, especially when I go to the outlet for $2 and find different things. I'm just like, really? Like, the heavens are opening up and dropping things down just for me. And so I wanted to show you guys, this is kind of a bonus thing, and it's not necessarily a trend per se, but this denim dress, sleeveless denim dress, perfect for spring and summer. But look at the hardware. The brand is La Feniere. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but look at the hardware. Like, where do you find such unique pieces? Like, I can't even, like, I'm speechless for $2. Like, and that one piece for $2. So if you are ever in the Houston area, definitely check out our outlet thrift stores. You will not be disappointed. All right, I hope you have enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.